Hi children, take out your textbook. Term 2 is lesson number 8, page number 1. Okay, composition of air. Let us learn about air as a mixture, source of components of air pollution, the bad effects of burning firecrackers. Just think. Arjun woke up early in the morning to go to school. He found that the air was fresh and cool. When he came back from school in the afternoon, he felt the air was not so fresh and cool. Do you know why? Remembering, we know that air is all around us. Air is a mixture of different gases. Gases are substances that can move around freely. Gases do not have any shape of their own. They can fill any available space of any shape. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are the main gases present in the air. Air is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide and some other gases are present in smaller amounts. Air also contains water vapor, which is the gaseous form of water, and some dust. Clean air does not have any smell or color. Turn the page, children. Page number 2. We have learnt that air contains different gases. Let us find out the source of these gases. We all need air to breathe. All animals breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. At the same time, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air to make their food. They give out oxygen during this process. In this way, the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air are maintained. What will happen to this balance if we cut trees unnecessarily? We know that water vapor in the air comes from different water bodies. Once the air gets filled with water vapor, it changes into water droplets and falls as rain. Application. Sometimes the air gets filled with smoke and dust. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. Substances which make the air dirty or pollute the air are called pollutants. Let us find out the source of these pollutants. When we burn firewood or a kerosene lamp, it gives out smoke. Smoke from vehicles and factories also pollutes the air. Vehicles also blow up dust in the air. Carbon dioxide is useful at very low levels, but when its amount increases above normal levels, it becomes a pollutant. Any color or bad smell of air shows air pollution. Polluted air is unhealthy. It may damage our lungs and eyes. It makes us feel tired and sick. Okay, page number 3, children. If the air is polluted, we should wear masks. Masks filter the air and allow only clean air to enter our nose. How can we keep the air clean? Plant trees. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They help to keep the air clean and healthy. So, we feel fresh when we are in a field, garden, or a forest. It is therefore important to plant trees. Use smoke free lamps and stoves. We should avoid using cooking stoves and lamps which give out smoke. Stop burning garbage. We should not burn garbage in our neighborhood. Plastics in the garbage give out harmful gases on burning. Use well maintained vehicles. Vehicles that are not maintained or are old give out harmful gases. Amazing facts. As we go higher, the level of oxygen in the air decreases. So, the people who climb mountains carry oxygen cylinders with them. Higher order thinking skills. People burst firecrackers on festivals and special occasions. Do you think firecrackers are good for the environment? Firecrackers are made up of chemicals which catch fire easily. They make a lot of noise. They also add harmful smoke to the air, causing air pollution. People who make firecrackers in factories suffer from skin and lung problems. It is dangerous to work in places where they are made or stored. Still, at some places, even small children are forced to work in firecracker factories. We should therefore stop bursting firecrackers. Okay? Yes, children, open your classwork. Yes, right here. Turn to. Yes, you can write here also. Term 2 in this page. Yes. Lesson number 8, composition of air. First with new words. Yes. Oxygen, oxygen. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen, nitrogen. Water vapor, water vapor. Pollution, pollution. Pollute, pollute. Pollutants, pollutants. Unhealthy, unhealthy. Firecrackers, firecrackers. Garbage, garbage. Oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen. Water vapor, watervapor, water vapor. Pollution, pollution. Pollution. Pollute, pollute. Pollutants, pollutants, pollutants. Unhealthy, unhealthy. Unhealthy. Firecrackers, fire, crackers, firecrackers. Garbage, garbage. You have to draw the line, children. 1 2 3 4, 4 times you have to write. Yes, and write the answers from the workbook in classwork. Which one? The 7th one, 14th one and 17th one. 7th one, 14th one, 17th one. Yes, and your homework is, children, homework from the 6th lesson. Learn and write page number 28. Page number 28. This is term 1 book only, children. This is term 1 book. Yes, learn and write page number 28. Short answer questions from workbook in homework. From workbook in homework. Yes, you have to write this, children. You have to learn and write. Learn and write. Yes, okay, children.